What I'm doing here is tearing down my ceiling and installing third row seat belts. See that? So that will let me have seat belts for my third row passengers. So I take out these metal plates here, which they have as just holders, and then you mount your seat belts right in that little hole. So I'm gonna take this one, I'll take the cover off. Seat belt fits through that little slit there. See? Now, take my bolts and I'll start a few. There. There. Now, Ratchet. Come on. There. One seat belt. Now, push my ceiling back up. Fits around there. Fits around here. Yep, there's a little tab there. Tab there. And that's it. Put my covers back on, I suppose, before we get too far. Let's see. Sometimes they're marked with, yep, left hand. So. There. Just like that. Seatbelt. I'm not even trying to see. Man, I have wanted these things installed for years. I'm finally doing it. I got my parts truck. So. There. Awesome. Seat belt. Alright, so now I'll put my light back in, which is here. Plug that in first. And and this little thing clicks into a little seat belt here, and people in the back have shoulder belts. Safe. And there's a little one, there's a little clip here. Shoulder belt. So it's actually really awesome. And then there's a center seat belt. You can fit 3 more passengers safely. Why is that so loose? Huh. Huh. Oh, well. Boy, this is a comfy seat. I think I may stay back here.